Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello friends, still you haven't subscribed to our channel? Do subscribe it right now if you want to watch these special international recipes on the go at the Homely Courses channel. So, welcome to the Homely Baking course. Today we are making Danish butter cookies. So let's start with the recipe. Here we have taken 100 grams of butter. It is chilled butter. You have to take chilled for this recipe, and we have added sugar into it. You have to take icing sugar to beat it. Icing sugar is nothing but ground sugar powder. You have to grind sugar nicely and you have to make powder out of it. Here we are beating it nicely until it becomes light and fluffy. When butter was chilled, it was hard and now it is light. Few moments later, after this, we are going to add one whole egg into it. Add the egg and beat it again. If you don't have beater, you can use whisk. If you have whisk, in that case, you have to beat it for a long time, and this is really hard process. So if you have beater, use this device for beating it, and this process becomes really easy by this hand beater. You can see it is mixed now. We have here flour, 1 cup, all-purpose flour. You have to sieve it. After sifting, we will add vanilla extract into it. This is done. Now you can see it is vanilla essence. We are using 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Never on the button of beater while mixing flour, otherwise it will be messy and your flour will spread on the table. So remember, first just mix the flour by beater. After that, you can on your device to beat it again. Friends, we have sieved some extra flour because you have to mix it gradually. Here we have added 1/4 cup sieved flour again, and after this we will add some more flour into it. First we have added 1 cup of all-purpose flour, then after that we have added 1/4 cup, and now after mixing we are again mixing half cup of flour. It is total 1 cup, half cup and 1/4 cup. That means it is not full of 2 cup flour, but it is less than 2 cups. It is 1/4 cup less than 2 cups. 1/4 cup less in quantity from 2 cups. You can see we have totally mixed it. You have to mix it gradually. Remember it and assemble it like this, and you can notice the consistency of cookies dough. Look at that, the dough is not sticky. And it is not sticking to the spatula, and See, this is really smooth and soft because it is having butter so that it is not sticking to the spatula. Here we have piping bag. You have to add this mixture or cookie dough into the piping bag like this. Firstly, you have to take a glass and set a nozzle. Then fill the piping bag with batter. Here we are taking some butter paper cups. These are of cupcakes, butter papers, and you can use directly butter paper except it, and you can use silicone brush to apply some oil on top of butter paper, but we are not using it. You can see that brush which we have shown in the episode. After this, you have to make Danish butter cookies shapes like this. Pipe it with your piping bag. We are not using oil. We have not greased cups. You can use cups without greasing it because this is butter paper, so there is no need to apply oil. You can apply oil, but it is totally okay because we are not using tray directly to bake it. See, you have to make shapes of butter cookies like this. Pipe it with your hand and piping bag and make different shapes of Danish butter cookies. You can make any shape which you like this. We have made a drop-like shape. Look at that. It is looking really nice, and you can also make a rose shape. Look at that. Like this, you can make a rose shape. You can also make like this. Use silicone brush, or you can make a round cookie simply, or you can make like this. We are making a square shape Danish butter cookies. This is really easy method to make it. If you don't have nozzle and piping bag, you can make round and square shape, or you can make rectangular shape like this which we have made. Sprinkle some sugar on top for glorious look. Look at that. It is ready to bake, but we are going to make some more shapes. You can make it like this. Make a rectangular shape of batter and make this diamond-like cuts on top of it, and you have to take little portions or balls to make a cookie. You can make this diamond shape, or you can press it like this. This is also a beautiful cookie look, and you have to take little by little. Don't make it thick because it will be not good and it will take time to bake, so that we are suggesting to take little by little, and in less quantity you have to take batter and make thin cookies like this. It is looking like a leaf. You can see we have made some round shaped cookies and some long shaped like a leaf. You can make a shape like this also. You can make this checks shape. That means it is a square. You can make square boxes on top of your cookie. It looks amazing and we love this shape. You can make round cookies and press with your thumb. You can see it is looking really gorgeous. Okay, here we have made all the cookies. See another tray. Here we have checks shaped cookies and we have made some boxes like square, round shaped, and also we have made round shape, and other shapes are of leafy structures. We have made by the fingers and palm, and we have here lined round cookies. You can make any shape which you like. We love these shapes. Preheat oven for 15 minutes before baking and bake it for 10 to 12 minutes approximately in the oven and cook it until it cooks well. One more thing, guys, you have to remember when you are baking it, after baking, you have to keep all the cookies on a rack. Friends, it is essential to keep all the cookies. By this process, your cookies will become moisture free, and it is really important to do that to make perfect cookies. Because cookies should have natural crispiness and crunchiness, so that you have to do that. You can see how beautiful these are looking. So these are those beautiful shapes which we have made. You can make your favorite shapes which you like. If you like this episode, don't forget to try at your home and share this recipe to your family and friends. These cookies are really delicious and you should try it at your home. Wow, mashallah, look at that. How beautiful they are looking. This sugar which we have sprinkled on it, it looks amazing. Also, you can see these rose-shaped cookies. And remember, friends, you have to remove its cup when you are keeping it on the rack. We have kept these cookies on the cup after this process. So remember that. Mashallah, they are looking gorgeous. If you like this episode, don't forget to like the video and do comments below. Also visit to our community post section where you will get different notifications. Here Danish butter cookies are ready to serve. Okay friends, we hope you enjoyed it. We will be back with another episode. Till then, goodbye and Allah Hafiz.